What is up and welcome to another video emergency update, guys. Bitcoin is on critical support level right now. If you have watched my previous analysis about Bitcoin, I have mentioned that this key support level is very important level that Bitcoin needs to hold, guys. Now, if Bitcoin will break down below this support, it is going to be nasty, guys, because the next support level that we are going to be looking at will be around $57,000, and the next will be back to this support trend line, and that will be around $51,000 to $52,000, and that is going to be nasty drop from the current level, guys. That will be around 13%. Hi guys, my name is Chill and welcome to another video. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss out on my crypto and trade updates. And of course, don't forget to click that notification bell. So we'll talk about Bitcoin today, possible scenarios in the coming days, what will be the confirmations that we need to keep an eye on. So stay tuned and watch the rest of this video. We'll talk about smaller time frames, bigger time frames, possible targets in the coming days. So for right now, this is a very important level, guys, that need to hold. If this breaks, then we need to keep an eye on the next support level, which is around $57,000, and the next will be $51,000 to $52,000. That is going to be a nasty drop for Bitcoin. And looking at the oscillator, guys, oscillator is about to reach, as what I've told you, if you're following me on my Twitter account, we have a bearish divergence on the daily time frame that is currently playing out. And I was expecting Bitcoin to drop to $59,000, guys, and hopefully this level will hold, because if not, again, this is going to be a nasty drop, probably back to this possible support trend line. So watch out. This could also be a liquidity grab. So looking at the oscillator, this bearish divergence has already played out. We're just waiting for the price to stabilize and, of course, for the oscillator to reach the oversold area. Once that oscillator reaches the oversold area, then probably we might get a bounce that we are expecting and a possible start of that alt season, guys. You know, I have discussed about total 3. Later, I'm going to show you the chart. So if you are going to zoom out, it looks like that Bitcoin on the lower time frame, it looks like that we have an inverse cup in handle pattern, guys. Look at this. So on the 4-hour time frame, it looks like that we have an inverse cup in handle pattern, and the ideal breakout target of this inverse cup in handle will be 53,500, right? So this is going to be the breakout target of the inverse cup and handle pattern. And short term, we need to keep an eye on this level, guys. I think this is going to be the liquidity grab level. Liquidity grab level. So we have bullish order block on 57,000 up to 57,800. So we could probably see a candle wick to this level and a possible quick bounce back up. So once Bitcoin reaches this level, probably I'm gonna buy some altcoin, guys, some quick trades on altcoins, and I'm expecting a quick bounce probably on this level here. But again, on the daily time frame, if the daily candle closes below the key level support, then that is going to be bearish for Bitcoin. That is going to be my first confirmation for a bearish scenario and a possible further drop to the downside. For now, the price is still hovering on that level. Probably, let's see if we can, if Bitcoin is going to grab all that liquidity around 57,300 up to 57,800, and then a quick bounce back up. Now we have this 200 exponential moving average acting as a resistance, same as on the daily time frame, guys. Bitcoin closing below the 200 exponential moving average will be the first bearish confirmation confirmation. Literally, this will be the break of the neckline, guys. This is in confluence with the neckline of this inverse cup and handle pattern. So that is looking bearish for Bitcoin, guys. But again, these are the levels that I will be looking at, guys. Short term, we have this bullish order block here. As what you can see, we have this candle wicks on this level right here. That means that we have a strong buying pressure around this area. So let's see if that is going to hold, guys. And if you are going to zoom out, Bitcoin is still inside this channel, guys, inside this bull flag channel. And right now, the price is on the middle zone. So no need to panic right now. The price is still hovering on that key support level. Again, if this oscillator reach that oversold area, probably we might get some bounce. We're just a little bit. So probably next week or over the weekend, we could see that drop to the oversold area and probably bounce back up, guys. And now I will be staying on sidelines. Again, I was expecting Bitcoin to hold the key support level, guys. I am still bullish on Bitcoin as long as we hold as long as the price hold above the key support level. But if we break down below, then that is another scenario. That is going to be a bearish confirmation on my side. But for now, I remain bullish on Bitcoin short term. I'm still holding my long position. In fact, again, all charts on CA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. I could be wrong. Bitcoin could go to zero tomorrow. If you have watched the HBO documentary about Satoshi Nakamoto, so let me know in the comment section. Did HBO expose the true Satoshi? Let me know, guys, in the comment section. Have you watched the documentary about Bitcoin and Satoshi on HBO? If you have watched it, let me know your review. I haven't watched it yet. So going back to Total 3, I have shared this chart on my Twitter account, guys, and this is forming a falling wedge pattern, and falling wedge pattern are bullish pattern. The ideal breakout target of a falling wedge pattern will be the top of the wedge, and that will give us around 760 up to 800 billion total market cap for altcoins, guys. And right now we are looking at this possible breakout. Again, this is also forming a possible inverse cup and handle pattern here with a breakout target of around $500 billion, and that is going to be a nasty drop if this previous resistance trend line fails to hold as a support. But right now, the altcoin or Total 3 market cap is retesting, guys. It looks like a retest. Look at this, breakout, retest, and let's see if this level will hold. And the first target for this will be the middle of the wedge. That will be around $700 billion. Then probably we'll see a short-term correction before it continue its move to the upside. So I'm still expecting a possible alt season. Right now we are seeing a short-term correction, guys. Breakout, retest of support. If this will hold, then probably we'll see that alt season that we are all been waiting for. And also on the oscillator, we have this bearish divergence playing out. Oscillator is about to reach that oversold area. We have still few gaps to be filled here, so probably we'll see that liquidation grab or liquidity grab short term. But let's just hope that this current level will hold, guys. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to smash that like button. Again, subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss out on my latest crypto and trade analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.